Special design DNA, unique interior architecture, and then state-of-the-art technology. This is something that's the best interior of ID Unix 08.
The main idea of interior was to find the balance between two main concepts. First of all, introducing the longitude and sportiness, and the second one, to pronounce the roominess, to introduce the spaciousness.
And to achieve that in the interior, we come up with a new type of architecture. Let's define in two layers. On the upper layer, we have architecture that emphasizes how spacious the interior is. In a layer below, you have an architecture that creates personal spaces. We have a good color scheme that emphasizes the contrast of the elements and supported by the ambient light as well to make the whole element floating in the room. So it was really important that we have the holistic view of the product to have a cohesive interior.
宇宙08这款车，我们在很早期的时候就确定了它的人设，新颖的、有气场的、前卫的。所以我们灯光团队的任务其实就是帮助它把这个人设稳稳的立住，把它转换成用户能够清晰感知的光语言。那为了让这种表达更加丰富，我们为它设定了3个 Light Signature 以及3套与之相匹配的欢迎动画。用户可以根据自己的心情和喜好进行选择切换，让车子用不同的方式来迎接它。那在欢迎动画结束之后呢，我们会有一个 standby 模式，它就相当于车在表达说我在这里等你，我们随时出发。所以它不是冷冰冰的机械，而是一台有语气、有态度的车。
For the ID Unix, we planned something really special with the lights. And also the appearance of the small elements, the cut diamond elements we call them, should give the car more value. While we turned some of the triangles off and some on, this also gives the car not only really bold signature, it also gives the flexibility that the customer can have to choose between different signatures.
For our ID Unix, we have 2 different communication colors. The first one is Dusk Tide. For the second communication color, we have Twilight Purple. So when you look up into the skies and see the Milky Way, you see these purple clouds. So we put that into our body color. Both our communication colors are inspired by natural phenomena.
But basically every color about ID Unix is really special and expressive. Also the black one, it's not a random black color. We basically catched all those lights and put it into the midnight black color. And there are a lot of golden particle in it, so it fits the whole CMF concept really well.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.